guys, welcome back to the Sholi YouTube channel. My name is Kelly and today we're going to be breaking down the Fuji Solotan Essentials Starter Kit. Starting off with the Turbine. This turbine can handle about 7 to 10 tans a day, so this is definitely going to be a low volume, maybe mobile machine only. And the applicator for this turbine is going to be the TAN 7350 Fuji gun. This is a stainless steel gun that's going to be great for low volume moving up to high volume use. This is going to be a great applicator even if you're starting off small, but you do have the potential to grow your clientele with this gun as well. Moving on to the solution that comes in your kit, you're going to be receiving 8-ounce solution samples of our original number 9, Lux number 12, and original rapid solution. You also will get a quart of our education solution. This is a great training tool for you to practice your spray tans. It's only cosmetic bronzers, so it will completely rinse off as soon as the client showers. As far as prep products go, you will receive a barrier cream and a pH balancer. These are going to be essential prep products before going in with solution. You also will receive a hose with your kit as well. This is what attaches the turbine to the gun, and all of our machines are going to be quick connect release. And that concludes everything for the Fuji Solotan machine. If you have any questions or want more information on this starter kit, feel free to reach out to our customer service team and we'll be happy to help you.